too.
Messiah is what they teach, set apart, pure and clean. Repairs of the breach, the timing of Yahuwah's feasts, no longer lost or out of reach, and offered to the very least. Sharing what they gleaned, Messiah is what they teach, set apart, pure and clean. Repairs of the breach, the timing of Yahuwah's feasts, no longer lost or out of reach, and offered to the very least. Sharing what they glean, Messiah is what they teach, set apart, pure and clean. Repairs of the breach, the timing of Yahuwah's feasts, no longer lost or out of reach, and offered to the very least. Yahshua means Yahuwah saves. Repair the breach, call on the name. Messiah's name means my Father saves.